Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're unlocking your earnings potential by showing you how to make money from YouTube like a pro. Let's get started. Making money on YouTube is achievable with the right strategies. Here's how you can do it. Content creation. Create engaging and high-quality videos that resonate with your audience. Monetization strategies. Utilize YouTube's monetization options like AdSense, memberships, and Super Chat. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate links to earn commissions. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored content and product placements. Merchandising. Sell branded merchandise to your loyal followers. Analytics and growth. Use YouTube analytics to track performance and optimize your content strategy. For more details, check out the full article on our website. That's a quick guide on how to make money from YouTube like a pro. If you found this helpful, be sure to read the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.